This is just going to be a quick video showing how to remove the steering column trim on a 2021 Toyota RAV4 LE. You know, I found another video on this, a couple other videos, but I don't know. I just want to show one tip, a stupid tip that really helped me. So there's one screw underneath there's a second screw right there. I already removed it because I already did this, and I'm like, well, I should make a video and show people. You know, the screws, the other how-tos show that's not the thing. The part that helped me the most is, you know, lowering the lock on your steering column and pulling the wheel all the way towards you. Because, you know, you have to push down on the sides of these panels to unlock them, and with the steering wheel pushed in, that's a little difficult. I know that might sound obvious, but I was struggling and I felt like an idiot. And then it's like, oh, pull the steering wheel towards you, you dumbass. So push in and push in and pull down at the same time. Obviously with two hands it's easier. Well, actually, so what I just did is I was pushing in and I pushed up with my finger to unlock it. There. Let's try this side now. Push in, push up. And then you also have to get the front, which I don't know if I can do that holding my hand, holding my phone, or actually that worked. I pulled out with my index finger and that unlocked the front. Let's try this side. See if I can adjust my headlamp to get better lighting. So I'm gonna pull out with my index. So I'm gonna push up, get my index finger kind of wrapped behind the panel and pull out. Yep, so that's the best way to do it, I think. And I'm gonna push the steering wheel all the way up. Actually, I can't lock it now that it's all the way up, because I think the trim panel is hanging down, excuse me, hanging down and in the way. So now basically the trim panel is loose and it's just flopping around, and actually it can be removed. I took my headlamp off for a second to show you guys that. And now let me just remove this top panel. Yeah, ignore the nasty blisters on my hands. I was digging a lot this week. So, I basically just, this top part, you just pull up. And let's see. Well, actually, I'm gonna turn my car in for a second and turn the wheel. Now, this is a part that I haven't done yet. Let's see. I'm gonna pause the video and get a pick, because I watched someone else do this in another how-to, but I haven't done it yet. So let me get a pick and I'll be right back. So I got a pick, 90 degree. This next part is hard to film. I'm gonna take the pick, put it right there pry up, and then you just pull the switch out to the right. Let's see if I can do it. I have to be quick, I think, because my phone is balancing and it feels like it's gonna fall any second. So pull that back. This is very awkward to do with the camera. And then my replacement switch. It's from a wrecked, or not a wrecked, but a junkyard 2022 Toyota Venza. I'm holding my phone in front of me and I'm wearing a headlamp, and the two don't really work that well when it comes to lighting. So that's the Venza switch installed, and on top is my original RAV4. You can see the bottom one has like that wheel, so you can adjust the interval, which I really missed having. So let's see here. So I just finished popping the Venza switch in. I think I mentioned this, I don't remember. So 2022 Toyota Venza. I don't remember which model, but I'll put the part number in the video description. So obviously the interval works. Let's get some water on the windshield, or washer fluid. Low, high, and let's see. We're just gonna do the rear off sound. Ready? It works. Yep, so the rear works, and let's see. Rear wiper or washer works. Yep, so I'm happy with it. Paid 75 bucks. I think the Venza had like 45,000 miles, somewhere around there. I'll put the part number in the video description, because this was a different part number than what I was originally planning on going with, because the other part number, I think it was like 180 bucks new was the cheapest I could get it. MSRP was like 300 bucks. Even getting used ones, it was like 150 bucks. So this part number was different, and I was able to get it for cheaper. So that's all.